So I'm going to make a GIF using Google Slides, and I've already got a blank presentation set up here, and I put in 23 slides because I have 23 in my animation that I want to make. So I'm going to move this window over, and I have my window set up here with the images that I took for this project, and I'm going to start dragging them in. The first one is going to go on slide 1. Then I can go to my second slide and drag in my second photo. Go to my third one and get my third photo. It's a little bit of a tedious process here, but you'll make it. Fourth slide, fourth photo. And just keep going down the list here. So I do have it set up in another presentation here where I've already loaded all 23 frames. I won't make you watch me load them all in there, but it's all in there and it's set up, and I'm ready to make it into a GIF. So I'm going to head over to talltweets.com, and here's the first page you go to, and you would scroll down. Here's where you would log in for the first time and just allow things for them to view your presentation. I'm going to click on there and open up my presentation to convert it to a GIF. And here we go. So we want this one, and we're going to select that. Might take a minute for things to load up. Just have to be a little bit patient with it, but it's going through and taking some screenshots of the individual slides to get them ready to animate. And our next step on here is we're going to be able to change the size of things, change the duration of each slide, and then save it so we can get ready to turn it in and use it for our project. The bigger your file is, the more photos you have on it, the longer it's going to take. So keep that in mind. I have had students who have done 100 plus images for their GIF project, and it works, but it takes a long time. So here it is after it's loaded up, and we're going to change the width here. We're just going to type in 800. The duration for how long each slide is going to show up, I'm going to do 0.2. You might want to change yours to be something different, and I'm going to leave that blank, and I'm going to hit create GIF. We'll let the computer load it up again. And hopefully our GIF will play like we want it to. You can adjust the time that you want the slides to show up, and I just did 0.2 seconds. Anything too long, a whole second or something, seems really slow, and you could definitely go faster. The faster you go, the smoother that your GIF will end up playing. So here it is. It's going to play for us on there. And that's what it's supposed to look like. So I'll hit the save button here. And it's going to go start downloading, and it's downloaded right over here. And from here I could take it out and I could put it onto my desktop if I wanted to. So here it is. I'll drag it out to my desktop and put it on there. I could open it up from here, double click on it, and it should load on up. And it will play through my GIF. From here I could put it onto my Google Drive and get ready to turn it in for my project. And that's a look at how to make a GIF using Google Slides and tall tweets.